In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Outlook email account. Setting up an Outlook email account is a simple and essential process, whether you need it for personal use, school, or work. I'll walk you through everything you need to do in a clear and easy-to-follow way so you can get started without any confusion. To begin, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is ready, navigate to the official Microsoft Outlook website. When the page fully loads, look for the option that says Create Account. Click on it to start setting up your new email. You will then be prompted to choose your email address. Enter the username you prefer, and then select the domain you want, either Outlook.com or Hotmail.com. If the name you want is unavailable, simply modify it slightly by adding numbers or initials until you find one that works. Next, you'll need to create a secure password. It's important to make your password strong by combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access while still being something you can remember b'shula. After that, you'll be asked to provide some basic personal details. Fill in your name, choose your country or region, and enter your birth date. This information is important for account recovery and helps personalize your experience. You may then see a verification step to confirm that you are not a robot. This usually involves completing a simple CAPTCHA challenge. Just follow the instructions on the screen carefully to proceed. At this point, you'll have the option to add a phone number or a backup email address. While this step is optional, it is highly recommended because it adds an extra layer of security and makes it easier to recover your account if needed. Once you've completed all the required fields, click Next or Finish. Your account will be created, and you'll be automatically directed to your inbox. You can now start sending and receiving emails, organizing your messages, and using helpful features like the calendar and contacts. For added convenience, you may also install the Outlook app on your mobile device so you can stay connected anytime. As a final reminder, keep your password secure, enable two-step verification for better protection, and regularly check both your inbox and spam folder. And that's it. You've successfully created your Outlook email account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.